What are the best ways and times to eat dry fruits? Welcome to Tamachi Foods. Dry fruits are a healthy and nutritious snack that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Here are some of the best ways and times to eat dry fruits. 1. Best time to eat early morning. Eating dry fruits in the morning can help kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. Best time to eat at breakfast. Add dry fruits to your breakfast to enhance its nutritional profile. You can sprinkle chopped almonds, walnuts, or dried cranberries over your cereal, oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowl for an added crunch and flavor. 2. Best time to eat with daily meals. You can include dry fruits in your regular meals for added nutritional benefits. Sprinkle chopped almonds or cashews over salads, rice dishes, or stir-fries to add a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. 3. Best time to eat in the evening time. Dry fruits can be eaten as an evening snack to curb hunger pangs and keep you feeling full until dinner. When it comes to the best time to eat dry fruits, it ultimately depends on your personal preference and lifestyle. 4. Best time to eat pre- and post-workout. Dry fruits are a good source of energy and can be eaten before a workout to boost your energy levels. Dry fruits are a great source of carbohydrates, which provide energy for workouts. Consuming a small portion of dry fruits before exercising can give you a quick energy boost. Additionally, eating dry fruits after a workout helps replenish glycogen stores and aids in muscle recovery. 5. Best ways to use as a snack. Dry fruits make a great snack between meals. They are rich in nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, which help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Dry fruits make an excellent snack choice due to their high nutritional value and energy content. You can enjoy a handful of mixed dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, cashews, and raisins between meals to curb hunger and boost energy levels. 6. Best ways to use baking and cooking. Dry fruits can be incorporated into various baked goods and dishes to enhance taste and texture. You can add chopped dates, raisins, or dried apricots to muffins, bread, cookies, or even savory dishes like rice pilaf or couscous for a touch of sweetness. Summed up. As for the best time to eat dry fruits, there isn't a specific time that is universally better than others. You can consume dry fruits according to your personal preference and dietary needs. Tamachi experts are generally recommended to avoid consuming large quantities of dry fruits right before bedtime due to their relatively high calorie content. It is important to consider that dry fruits are high in natural sugars, so it's best to eat them in moderation and pair them with a balanced diet. Remember that dry fruits are calorie-dense, so practicing portion control is essential. Aim to consume a moderate amount, around 1 to 2 ounces or 28 to 56 grams, of dry fruits per day to reap their health benefits without exceeding your daily calorie intake. Lastly, it's crucial to consider any specific dietary restrictions or allergies you may have and choose dry fruits accordingly. For further suggestions and the best ways and times to eat dry fruits, consult with your local healthcare professional or leave comments. Thank you for watching Tamachi Foods video. For more tips, order booking, and updates, subscribe to Tamachi.